The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Jackson Parish, southeastern Red River Parish in northwestern Louisiana, northern Natchitoches Parish in northwestern Louisiana, southeastern Bienville Parish in northwestern Louisiana, Northwestern Winn Parish, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles southeast of Ringgold to 9 miles southwest of Coushatta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jonesboro, Campty, Martin, Hodge, Goldona, North Hodge, East Hodge, Saline, Lucky, Ashland, Quitman, Powhatan, Lake End, Henna, Friendship, Black Lake, Chestnut, Creston, and Ajax. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north central and northwestern Louisiana. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bienville, Jackson, Natchitoches, Red River, and Winn.